Hello, I'm Jamie Cruz, and this is my Module 10 for EDL 853, People First Language Presentation. So in doing this module, it was clear that much of our language does not focus on the person, it focuses on their disability. So People First language puts the person before the disability, and when you're communicating about individuals or people that might have certain disabilities, we don't want to use those disabilities to describe or label the person. The disabilities are not who they are. It's something that they might happen to have. So people first language, simply good manners. I thought that was a neat description. It's just treating others as you would want to be treated, or as a parent, thinking about treating others as you'd want your children to be treated, and eliminating negative language habits. I think at some point in time we've all had them. This assignment certainly made me think about things that I personally need to change, even things that might creep into day-to-day language. Phrases to eliminate, so things that I've noticed at my past school that I'm coming from would be things like a disabled kid, retard is certainly a bad one, autistic, a Downs kid, or a SPED kid is kind of a common phrase that was used. So what can we use as appropriate language instead of these terms? So for instance, disabled kid would be a person who uses a wheelchair. The word retarded could be replaced with a person with a cognitive disability. The word autistic, person with autism. A Downs kid would be a person with Down syndrome. And a SPED kid, for instance, could be a person with a learning disability. So all these are ways that we can put the person before their disability, which is what we would all want. Here are my references I used for this assignment. Thank you very much.